Hello, good morning, students. We are live now. I can see Shreyasi has already joined. Good morning, Shreyasi. Is my audio and video clear? So, Sajila, Pragana, Anika, and Avani has joined, and Aditya has joined. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, so my audio and video is clear. Thanks for the confirmation. My audio and video is clear. Thanks for the. Okay, so today we are going to do shares and dividends. So in this class, basically, we are going to do MCQs and assertion reason based questions of shares and dividends. Only one class I will take because regarding shares and dividends, complete solutions already I have made. Link I'll be sharing here, and also I have made one video where I have done previous year questions of shares and dividends. So those videos you can go through, and MCQs and assertion reason based questions here I will be doing. So in brief description I'll give you whatever we are going to do, whatever is the introduction of this. In depth I'm not going to explain you because few terms are there that you should know regarding this, and then few formulas I'll tell. After that we will just start with the questions. So still I can see 12 of you have joined. So strength is less. No problem. Let's start. First of all, the terms which you should know here that I am going to explain. So first term is nominal value. First term is nominal value. Normally we can write it as NV. See, nominal value is the value of the share. It is also known value of the share which is fixed. Which is fixed. It will not change. So nominal value is that value of share which is fixed, which is not going to change. Now its other names are also there. So what are the other names of nominal value? So other names of nominal value, like in questions you might see these terms: printed value or register value, printed value. These are the other names. Face value, so some etc. So as I have told you, nominal value is fixed, so that means it's not going to change. It will always remain same. The other one which we have is market value. Market value. We can write it as MV. Market value, it will change. It might change. So that value, it depends on the market. Every day market value, it will change. So it can increase also. Market value, it can increase also. With both the values we can compare. Market value, it can be greater than nominal value also. It can be less than nominal value also, and it can be equal to nominal value also. So nominal value, I have told you, it will always remain same, but market value, it will keep on changing. Sometimes it will be greater than nominal value, sometimes it will be less than nominal values, and sometimes it will be equal to nominal value as well. So these are the possibilities. So regarding this also, you can remember the terms. When market value is greater than nominal value, we say when market value is greater than nominal value. So in questions you will see terminology. You will see above par or at a premium, at premium. In questions, this type of terminology you can see when market value is greater than nominal value, it will be above par or at premium. When market value is less than nominal value, you will see it might be written below par or at discount. Below par or at discount. Then when market value is equals to nominal value, it is at par. It is at par. The next one, meaning of dividend. The meaning of dividend is profit. So whenever dividend is mentioned, so dividend means we are talking here about profit. Shares and dividends. Okay, so dividend here it means profit. So these terms you should know: nominal value, market value and dividend. Other than that, few formulas are there. So formulas I'll tell you. All the formulas we don't have to remember. Here few formulas are there which you can remember and help you to solve the questions. So one second. I'll just explain you the formulas. Then we'll start with the questions. Okay, so formulas. So first one, see all the formulas you don't have to remember. I'll tell you three formulas. With these formulas, each and every question easily we can solve. So first one is investment. First formula is investment. So investment is equals to number of shares. Number of shares into market value. Investment is equals to number of shares into market value. See, from this formula, if any two things are given to us, we can find the third one. For example, if investment is given to us, we'll make use of number of shares and market value, and we'll find the, if investment we have to find. So these two things should be given to us. If we have to find number of shares, then market value we can shift to other side. From this formula itself, I'll get number of shares is equals to investment by market value, because market value here it's getting divided. When we shift to other side, it will get multiplied. From this formula itself, if we have to find market value, then I'll shift number of share to other side. So it will become investment by number of shares. So one formula in three different ways we can use. So from this formula, we can find three things. So you have to make a note of this formula. So second formula, second one is annual income. You can write annual income, or annual profit you can write, or annual dividend also you can write. Because here I'll tell you one thing, income means profit, it means return also, it means dividend also. Okay, so annual income, it might be annual profit, it might be annual return, it might be annual dividend also. So anything you can write. So this one is number of shares into dividend percentage, number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value, number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. So here I'll just write dividend as of now. So annual dividend. Number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. Then third formula. In third formula, dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent. So return means profit. So return percent means profit into market value. See, when I am writing dividend percent, when I am using the word dividend, with dividend always you have to write nominal value. Dividend is always calculated on nominal value. But if I change this word dividend to profit or return, it means now it is associated with market value. So here you have to be careful. So dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent into market value. So with the help of these three formulas, all the questions of these chapters can be easily solved. So anyone, any doubt till here? Okay, let's start then questions. So first question. So shares of company A paying 12%. See, if with percentage nothing is mentioned, that means dividend percent is given to us. If with percent it is not mentioned at premium or a discount, that means we are talking here about dividend percentage. So you have to remember. So company paying shares of company A paying 12% dividend, rupees 100 shares. Rupees 100 shares means what? With shares, the cost written is always the nominal value. The cost which is written with shares, that cost is nominal value. So first case nominal value is rupees 100. So R at rupees 80. R at rupees 80 means the market value. The shares, these shares are sold at rupees 80. That means the market value of the shares is rupees 80. So in first case, dividend percent is 12%, nominal value is 100 rupees, market value is rupees 80. This is first one. Then second one, so company B is there. This is for company A. Dividend percent is same. Dividend percent is 12%. Then nominal value is also same. Rupees 100 shares. Rupees 100 shares. The cost which is written next to shares, that cost is always nominal value. So these shares are sold at rupees 100 only. So that means market value for this one is also rupees 100. This is for company B. Then statement third is there for company C. Dividend percent is same, 12%. Then nominal value, it's again same 100 rupees. But market value is 120 because the shares are sold at 120. This is for company C. So these things are given to us. The question says shares of which company are at premium. So at premium, while giving introduction, I have explained you. While giving introduction, I have explained you at premium means when market value is greater than nominal value. When market value is greater than nominal value, that means shares are at premium. So we can clearly see here in the third case, yes, C option, here market value is 120, which is greater than 100. So option C is the, like company C. Company C, this is not option C. So company C, which is option C also, is the correct answer of this one. So let's do second question. I hope no doubts. The question was simple. You just have to see in which of the company market value is greater than nominal value. So shares of that company are at premium. Let's do next question. So in these questions also, always we'll write what is given to us and what we have to find. So the dividend received on 80 shares. So 80 shares means how many shares we have. Number of shares is given to us as 80. 80 shares. See, with these shares, rupees is not mentioned, percent is not mentioned. That means it's just a number. So number of shares are given to us. Shares of rupees 20. So shares of rupees 20 means nominal value. Nominal value is given to us as 20 rupees. The dividend received on 80 shares, so number of shares is 80. Shares of rupees 20 means nominal value is rupees 20, 9% dividend. So dividend percent is given to us as 9%. Dividend percent is 9%. So dividend received we have to find. Dividend received we have to find. So dividend received means annual dividend you can say. So annual dividend formula I have given you. You can solve the questions. So annual dividend we have to find. Or simple dividend also you can write. This is the third formula which I gave you. So what was the formula? I want you people to give me the formula. So what is the formula for annual dividend? Because we have to find dividend and I gave you three formulas. In this second formula, not third one, we can find dividend. So what's the formula? I don't see any responses. What is the formula of annual dividend or dividend? It's a number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. See, try to give me the formulas and also respond because the class should be interactive. Yes, Likita has given the formula, Jayashree and Sanika also. So number of shares into dividend percent. So it is a direct question. Number of shares 80, dividend percent is 9%, and nominal value is 20. We can just simplify. So 80 into percent means 9 by 100 we can write into 20. Two zeros will get cancelled. One with 80 is 0, one with 20 is 0. So what we are left with now? 8 into 9, 72. 72 into 2. So this is 2 into 2, 4. So which option? Which option? 144. Option C. Option C. So direct question. We just substituted the values and we got the value of annual dividend or dividend equals to 144. Option C. Let's do next question now. Okay, let's see what is given to us and accordingly we will choose which formula we can use. So a company declares 6% dividend. So we'll write what is given to us. Dividend percent is given to us as 6%. A company declares 6% dividend to the shareholder. So that means dividend percent is given to us. If Reena receives 2840 as her dividend, so dividend is given to us. Dividend, so dividend are here dividend is expressed in two ways. First of all, dividend percent is also there, annual dividend is also there. So this is in percentage and this is in rupees. Both the things are given to us. See in previous question here you can say this is dividend which we found and here dividend percent is also there. So both are different. One dividend is expressed in rupees, another dividend is expressed in percentage. So here in this question both are given to us. So 2840. So nominal value of the shares we have to find. What we have to do? We have to find the nominal values of the share. So how we can find the nominal values of the share? Which formula we can use? Which formula we can use? Option C. Okay, so I gave you few formulas. So company declares 6% dividend. So dividend percent is given to us and dividend is also given to us. We have to find the nominal value. So for nominal value, which formula I should use? I have given you the formulas. Dividend formula. Okay, so dividend formula. So what is dividend formula? Dividend is equals to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. So this formula will use. So what is the value of dividend now? Dividend I'll just substitute 2840. So n is not given to us. Here number of shares are not given to us. So if number of shares are not given to us, what should we do? Number of shares are not given to us. So we'll find nominal value of one share. What we will do? We'll find nominal value of one share. So here we'll just assume n as 1. So 1 into d by 100. So d's value is given to us 6 by 100. 6 by 100 into nominal value. So these things will shift to other side. If we multiply anything with 1, 1 is the answer. So it is 2840. If 100 we shift to other side, it will get multiplied. If 6 we shift to other side, it will get divided with 2840. So it is equals to nominal value. So we can do cancellation wherever it is possible. So on 2's table, first of all, we can do, or directly, no, we'll do on 2's table. So this is 2 into 3, 2 into 1, 4, 2, 0 into 100. So multiply this and tell me the answer. So we have used this formula and we got this 1420 into 100. If I multiply, it will become 142,000 by 3 is equals to nominal value. Divide it and tell me the answer. Today I see very less responses. Divide it and tell me the answer. I am not going to do calculations. At least calculations answers you can share. And I hope you people are solving the questions along with me. So, what is the answer? Okay, so Shiva Shankar has given me the answer. Okay, so I am not doing division here. So this is 4,000. No, it is 47,333.333. Okay, so which option you feel? If we got in decimals, but we don't have any such option. Do we have any close by option? The option which is approximately equals to this. So if you see second option, if I just convert this decimal into whole number, I can see it is 47,333. I'll just round off. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So again, because dividend was given to us, so we used dividend formula and found the value of nominal value, and n for number of shares. For one share we found the nominal value. Because number of shares was not given to us, this thing can be only done in case of nominal value, where n we can write as 1. Now let's do next question. In next question, what is given to us? Sham buys 310 rupees share. 300. So 300 is just a number. So that means number is given to us. N is given to us. N I am writing as number of shares. Number of shares equals to 300. So with shares, you can see 10 rupees mentioned. With shares 10 rupees mentioned. That means nominal value is given to us. Given things also you can post in the comments so that I'll see you are understanding something. See, it's given to us for this question, number of shares 300, then 10 rupees just written next to 300, that means nominal value. See the value which is written, the cost which is written next to shares, that is always nominal value. So nominal value of this is 10 rupee means rupees 10. Shares at rupees 15. So this shares at rupees 15 means the shares are sold at rupees 15. That means market value. Market value is how much? Rupees 15. And receives a dividend. So dividend percent is also given to us as 7%. So investment, so these are the given things. So all the things which are given to us I have written. Now amount of investment we have to find. What I have to find? Investment. So I have written given things and the things which we have to find. So here only investment we have to find. So which option? Only three formulas are there. So which formula we can use for this question? Which formula we can use for this question? I've given you the formula. Yes, so we can use the formula of investment. That's the first formula I gave you. Number of shares into market value. Number of shares here is 300. Market value is 15. So it's a direct question. Few extra things are given to us just to confuse you because MCQs we are doing. So you don't have to get confused. Just go with the formulas. So number of shares into market value, if I am multiplying, so 3 into 15 is 45. So 4,500 is the answer, D option. So extra things sometimes will be given to us just to confuse us. You don't have to get confused. So formulas I have told you. Only with the help of three formulas, this entire chapter can be done. Let's do next question now. In next question, let's see what is given to us. And I want you to post in the comment. So here in the chat box, you can share your answers. What is given to us in this question, those things also you can share. The market value of 4% share. 4% share means with percent if nothing is mentioned like discount or premium, that means it is dividend percent. So dividend percent is given to us as 4%. When again dividend is given to us. Dividend is given to us. It's easy. So Mr. Sharma gets a dividend of rupees 84. Dividend means annual dividend or annual income by investing. By investing means investment is also given to us. So investment is 1620. So market price. The market price of 4% share when Mr. Sharma gets a dividend of rupees 84 by investing this. So that means MV we have to find. They're asking about MV. Okay, now tell me which formula I should use. Here investment is given to us and then dividend is given to us and dividend percent is given to us. But the formulas which I told you are these formulas. So investment is equals to number of shares into market value. Second one is dividend is equals to, here capital D I am writing with dividend. This is equals to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. And the third one which I gave you, that is dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent or profit percent into market value. So which formula we can use here? So Likita is telling investment formula. So shall I use investment formula? If I use investment formula, so what I can get? Number of shares, because MV is not given to us. MV we have to find. So N is also not given to us. N is also not given to us. But what we can do here, N is also not given to us. So what can be done here? How we can make use of these formulas? See, I want more answers. If I use this one also, so investment is equals to N into MV. If I use this formula, so here what I will get? So Shivashankar is telling dividend formula and Nikita has given the answer itself. D, none of, no, D formula. Okay, dividend formula also if we use. If I use dividend formula also, so dividend is given to us. Dividend is given to us. Both the formulas I'll show you because n we don't know. So I is equals to what? I is equals to number of shares into market value. So number of shares, how I'll get here from here, because number of shares, let us find. So number of shares, if I shift market value to other side, if I shift market value to other side, I'll get investment by market value is equals to number of shares. Okay, so this is the value of number of shares I can get from first formula. Now if I use the second formula, if I use second formula, so what is dividend? Second formula is this one. I'll just write here. Second formula is this one. Dividend is equals to, so dividend is given to us. So value of dividend is how much? But here dividend is 1620. Number of shares, okay, let us write in this way, I by MV. Dividend percent is given to us. Dividend percent is how much? 4%. 4 by 100 into nominal value. So now what we can do? So here also let's write investment. Investment is, no, dividend is 84. And here investment is 1620. Yes. So now what we can do? Here also again nominal value and market value, two unknown things are there. So how we can do this one? See, I want your responses. You have given me the formulas and I've shown you if I do substitutions also. So this is what we are going to get. I don't see any responses. Am I audible? Can you all listen? Okay, then tell me what we should do. These are the formulas, and if we use this way, and somewhere if you can make use of third formula also, it's fine. So third formula is this thing, dividend percent, dividend percent into nominal value is equals to return percent into market value. So how we can make use of this? Okay, so here in this question, what we can do? See, we have done till here. Till here we have done, but with this we are not able to reach any answer because both the things are not given to us. When market value is not given to us and nominal value is also not given to us. So what we can do here? First of all, yes, I can see one rate percent into market value is equals to dividend per share. What is this? R percent on market value. Okay, so for this question, what we'll do? 1 second. Let me clear this thing. First of all, nominal value we have to find. Nominal value we can find. So how to find nominal value? How to find nominal value? In previous question also we did. One of the question we did previously also, when we assumed number of shares here as 1. Nominal value we can find. So dividend is how much? I'll make use of this formula. So dividend is 84 n into 6 by, here I can assume n as 1, 6 by 100 into nominal value. If we can find the nominal value, so 84 into 100 by 6. So here what we will get? 84 by 100. This is not 6, this is 4. We did previously one question in MCQs itself. The same concept I am just going to apply here also. So we can simplify, we can find the nominal value from here of the shares. So what will be the nominal values? So this we can just, it is 2100. 2100 we found nominal value. Yes. Now if we know nominal value, see we have to find, and this question, similar type of question we did earlier also. So market value now can be find. Now tell me which formula we can use. Now we know the nominal value also. We know nominal value. So which formula we can use? So now we can use the third formula which I gave you. Dividend percent into nominal value is equals to, okay, this we can't use. So 2100 we found the value of. Now we can make use of the other formula. Okay, 1 second.